Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video. Quick and healthy recipes, how to eat well even with little time.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss, How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
Nowadays, a busy routine often prevents us from dedicating the necessary time to preparing healthy meals. This can lead to the consumption of processed foods and fast food, which are fast but not always nutritious. The good news is that it is possible to prepare quick and healthy recipes without compromising flavor or nutrients. With a few practical tips and the right ingredients, you can make delicious meals in less than 15 minutes. In this video, we will share 5 quick and healthy recipes that will transform your eating routine and keep your body nourished and full of energy. Quick and healthy recipes, how to eat well even with little time. Nowadays, our busy schedules often prevent us from dedicating the necessary time to preparing healthy meals. This can lead to the consumption of processed foods and fast food, which are fast but not always nutritious. The good news is that it is possible to prepare quick and healthy recipes without compromising flavor or nutrients. With a few practical tips and the right ingredients, you can make delicious meals in less than 15 minutes. In this article, we will share 5 quick and healthy recipes that will transform your eating routine and keep your body nourished and full of energy. 1. Spinach omelette with cottage cheese, 10 minutes. The omelette is a great option for those who want a meal rich in protein and fiber. Spinach provides a good amount of iron and vitamins, while cottage cheese is an excellent source of low-calorie protein. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil to grease the pan. Preparation method: beat the eggs in a bowl and add the chopped spinach, salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Pour the egg and spinach mixture into the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cottage cheese on top and fold the omelette in half. Cook for another 2 minutes and that's it. Tip: serve with a green leaf salad for an even more nutritious meal. 2. Chickpea salad with tuna, 10 minutes. This salad is perfect for lunch or dinner. Chickpeas are rich in fiber and protein, while tuna provides omega-3s, which are excellent for heart health. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna in water, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1/2 chopped red onion, 1/2 chopped red pepper, juice of 1 lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation method: in a bowl, mix the drained tuna, chickpeas, onion and pepper. Season with lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Stir well and serve immediately. Tip: add spinach or arugula leaves to add a green touch to your salad. 3. Avocado chicken wrap, 12 minutes. Wraps are practical, easy to assemble, and can be taken to work or eaten as a healthy snack. The grilled chicken offers lean protein, and the avocado adds good fats and creamy flavor. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast fillet, 1/2 avocado, 1 whole tortilla, 1/2 sliced tomato, lettuce leaves, olive oil for grilling the chicken, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation method: grill the chicken fillet in a skillet with olive oil, salt and pepper until golden, about 6 minutes on each side. Mash the avocado with a fork and spread over the tortilla. Slice the chicken and place over the avocado. Add tomato and lettuce. Roll up the wrap and serve. Tip: if you want a touch of freshness, add some coriander or mint leaves. 4. Energy Green Smoothie, 5 minutes. Smoothies are quick and easy options for breakfast or snack. They can be prepared with fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, helping to keep the body energized. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 green apple, 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 200 milliliters coconut water, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. Preparation method: place all ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. Serve immediately. Tip: add ice for a more refreshing and crunchy smoothie. 5. Vegetable soup with quinoa, 15 minutes. Vegetable soup is a great way to consume a wide variety of vegetables in a single meal. Quinoa offers protein and fiber, making this soup a complete meal. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped zucchini, 1 small sweet potato, chopped, 1 clove of minced garlic, 500 milliliters vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation method: in a pan, heat the vegetable broth and add the garlic, carrot, zucchini, and sweet potato. Let cook for 10 minutes or until the vegetables soften. Add the cooked quinoa, season with salt and pepper and cook for another 3 minutes. Serve hot, with fresh parsley on top. Tip: for a creamier version, add 100 milliliters of coconut milk at the end of cooking. Conclusion: preparing quick and healthy recipes is easier than it seems. With these examples, you can create nutritious and tasty meals, even on the busiest of days. The key is to choose fresh, nutritious ingredients and plan ahead. This way, you avoid falling into the trap of processed foods and ensure that your body is well fed, with energy and health to face everyday life. So, did you like the recipes? If so, leave your like below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who also want to maintain a healthy and practical diet. And of course, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next health and well-being tips.